Welcome to Great Asian Cooking. My name is Ha, and today I'll teach you how to make fried rice. So we'll start off with the ingredients. You're going to need 2 cups of rice that you're going to cook. You'll also need 3 Chinese style sausage, 2 cups of frozen peas, carrots. Those are the vegetables that I'll be using. Unthaw them beforehand. $400 grams of fresh shrimpies. These are frozen and unthawed. They're size 31 to 40. You're going to also need 2 eggs. One small onion. This one I already sliced in half. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Half a tablespoon of sugar. Half a tablespoon of MSG. Half a tablespoon of garlic salt. Okay, so let's start preparing the ingredients. So your onion, you'll want it to cut it into little squares. So this is the way that I find it the most efficient to do it. So once you slice them all out like this, then just cut them on the side. Then you have perfect little square, and the whole onion holds itself, so you don't have to worry about it falling apart while you're slicing them. So this, and here you go. Voila. For your sausage, just cut it in half. Then cut it in thin slice. Not too hard, this quick. As for the shrimp, you'll be doing the same thing. You'll cut them in small slices like this. As you can see, I've prepared the shrimp already, so they're cut down to little bite size. All right, let's start with the cooking. So let's head out. Heat your pan to medium high and then add your oil. Add your shrimps and saute them till they are half cooked. Add your Chinese style sausage till they curl up slightly. Add your onions and cook them for around 20 seconds. Add your peas and carrots. Cook till the water from the vegetables starts to dry up. Add your rice and mix all the ingredients well. Now add your sugar, MSG, and garlic salt. Mix everything up again. Add the 2 eggs and mix all up one last time. You'll know everything is cooked when your eggs aren't runny anymore. Now you're ready to serve. And there you go, folks. And that's how you make fried rice. So as you can see, not too complicated to make and really good to eat. And what can I say? Oh, as usual, nothing is as good as when you add some hot sauce. So let's put a little bit on. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll be seeing you next week. Sorry about last week. I was kind of busy, so I missed a video. And also, don't forget, the rest of this recipe is in the description. And also, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next week. Enjoy!